over the violence, with the BJP now gunning for the Mamata Sarkar, claiming that it is the TMC's appeasement policy which is responsible for such clashes. BJP alleges that members of one community are being targeted under the nose of the Bengal administration, and the perpetrators, however, face no legal action. In charge of Bengal BJP, Amit Malviya, took to social media platform X to state that such scenes and open appeasement were thus far only witnessed in countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh. He even called the events of Maheshtala as total surrender of the state administration to mob rule. TMC, on the other hand, has accused the BJP of running a provocative campaign and spreading misinformation.
Several police personnel injured, multiple number of cars vandalized. They should deploy paramilitary forces to save the police forces and Hindu. The common police forces and the Hindu people not safe in Bengal under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee.
ये प्रोवोकेटिव कैंपेन, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन, और इसके पहले हम लोग ये भी देखा है, कुछ लोग हैं वो बहुत गंदी तरीके से कॉन्स्पिरेसी करके खुद वो लोग ये बुरा काम करते हैं, फिर उसके कम्युनल पोलराइजेशन करने का कैंपेन करते हैं. हम ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट सपोर्ट नहीं करते, हम इसको विरोध करते हैं.
Meanwhile, the Congress has also jumped to TMC's defense, saying that it was the BJP which engages in appeasement politics because other parties cannot win by appeasing one particular community.
As far as this particular incident is concerned, definitely Bengal government should take care of it. But BJP is in habit to make allegations of appeasement. It is only BJP which has crossed the limit to appease its own voters. As far as Mamata and other political parties are concerned, they cannot win without Hindu voters. It is not possible for them to appease a particular community. It is the nature and thought of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, Hridita, as far as the political blame game that has been taking place, who exactly is the one who is provoking? And as far as when it comes to the community clashes that are now being reported, we are looking at both sides now are hurling as far as when it comes to attacks on each other.
Correct. As the political blame game falls out, BJP has made allegations that it is under the nose point of the TNC government that the appeasement politics is working in Maheshtala area again, as we have witnessed in Murshidabad also earlier, that it is under her police who has not taken up step against a certain community, and that is why the escalation of this event has also happened. Whereas yesterday we have seen the TMC as of now has not made any statement, even though Firhad Hakim had come to the area, has scrutinized and seen to the area, and also wished for a safer and a faster recovery to this area, so the situations come under control. Yesterday also the CP Manoj Kumar Verma had come to the spot to scrutinize the area and ensure safety. So as of now there is no statements from the side of TMC stating of a community clash, but it is said again as
the
per
authorities order for an investigation, the BJP calling the events in Maheshtala as a total surrender of the state administration to mob rule. The TMC, on the other hand, is accusing the BJP of running a provocative campaign and spreading misinformation. Hridita, thank you very much. With that, we head into a short break.